So I want to start cooking. I want to make spaghetti, and I just want to show you all the spaghetti. I've never tried this before. I've never had it before. I saw it at the supermarket. I'm like, wow, this is new, and the name made me buy it. Ankara Makanasi, yes. So I saw it and I'm like, okay, let's try it today. If it's good, definitely I'll go back for more. My only problem is that it's quite higher than our regular spaghetti. It's not the same price, but hopefully it tastes good. So that's what I want to make, and I just want to show you all the spaghetti. If you've had it before, is it good? Did you enjoy it? And I don't know, since the new spaghetti cooking time, they said it's 8 to 10 minutes. So yeah, we'll see. Let's try. Let's start cooking. So this is spag. I've already put it in the pot. I just noticed it's very thin, unlike golden penny spaghetti. It is very thin. But let me show you better, a closer look. Oh, the steam. It's very thin, guys. Can you see? Like, it's quite thin. Okay, look at a closer look. It is very thin, unlike our regular pass. It is very thin, unlike golden penny. It is quite thin, so whew, I'm excited. I didn't finish it. I made 1.5.
I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with me?
So I just want to show you all my mini poultry. I'm so happy, like they are doing well. My chickens are doing well. My chickens are really doing well. I just gave them food some moments back, but unfortunately they have finished the food. There's nothing here, literally nothing. Finished, but they still have water, and I'm so happy because this has really saved us a lot of money, because the price of chicken now in the market is something else. So Christmas and New Year meat is ready. I'm so happy, guys. Look at that one poo-pooing. Jeez, I'm so happy, like so happy, so happy. They're doing fine. So if you want to buy meat, please holla. If you're in Ugeli and you need chicken for Christmas and New Year, please let me know. But I don't know if we're going to sell. I think this will be for consumption only. I don't think we are going to sell, but I don't know. We may sell, we may not sell, but so this is what my poultry looks like. I'm doing well. I'm so happy. I am so happy. Chicken, say hello. 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 Say hello. Oh!